In this video, we explain object template management. This is a feature that allows administrators to create pre-configured template development objects and then give them custom adjustments that are reflected in newly created objects based off of the templates. The process is simple. It requires creating the object in a specific template directory and then configuring it. The process allows naming and setting the subtype of the new template-based objects. The feature is supported on all clients, including client 0. In addition to the template folder, we set the values in the uc_object_template variable located in the div variables folder on client 0 or in the no folder area of a non-zero client. The sequence is as follows. We update a variable called uc_object_templates in the div variables folder on client 0 or in the no folder area of other clients. The variable contains values for the naming and typesetting of the templates. We add a key, the type of the object templates, and a value, the name of the template object. Then we create an object in a folder called templates. The client will use its own settings if they exist or default to client 0. We give the template a name. As long as this name matches the string of the variable value, the chain is complete and users can use the template to create pre-configured objects. Assuming the template has configurations, which is really the whole point, they'll be reflected in the new objects. We'll use client 0 to demo this. Our first step involves creating the value in the uc_object_template variable. We head to the div variables folder in the process assembly perspective and update uc_object_templates. We have an existing value for the Unix job templates. All new Unix jobs are based on this. Here is our scenario. All new jobs normally deactivate upon successful completion, but we want to create a variety of Unix jobs with special status, which we'll call critical. We want all these new jobs to stay active upon completion. Presumably they're very important, and we want to deactivate them manually after certain user verifications. So we want all of these new jobs to have the automated deactivation feature disabled. For this, we create a new entry based on the existing one. This new entry is made of a key and a value. The format is simple. The key's text string will set the type of template when we create the new object. It will be reflected in the list of Unix type jobs. The value will be the name of the template object as we create it in the template folder. If the value does not match the name of the template object, the feature simply doesn't work. The template is for critical Unix jobs. Obviously, these names are not realistic and they're a little silly, but they will help us recognize the matching text patterns in other places. Now we'll create the template object itself in the template folder in the process assembly perspective. We head to the template folder and find all the existing template objects. Whenever you create a new object in a given client, these new objects are based off of these existing templates. We're creating a special type of Unix job that is critical to operations. It's vital that the name of this new object matches the value of the variable entry of uc_object_templates. Now the point of building a template is to add custom configurations that will be included in all new objects that are based on it. Let's make those configurations. The first thing we do is give it a title. Then we go to the attributes page and disable automated deactivate so that every time they execute, these new jobs will remain in active supervision. Use caution. This is not something we recommend with just any objects. It could affect a number of things like performance, file systems, and more. We're just doing it for these special jobs. Let's see the new template in action. we create a new critical job. The first thing you notice is that we don't have one template like we used to. We now have two. The subtype of Unix job is set by the key sourced from the UCObjectTemplate variable. Obviously, the title is sourced from the template's title. The change we made is reflected in the new job. Note that these features are supported on non-zero clients. We have removed all template configurations on client 0. On client 100, we don't have a div variables folder. Instead, what we have is the no folder zone. You can just create a template folder manually in Explorer.